Hi, my name is Ronan Nicholson, and I attended Camp Colorado in 2018. I'd have to say some of my favorite birds on the trip in Colorado was either a white-tailed ptarmigan, northern saw-whet owl, or American three-toed woodpecker. Before I attended that camp, I didn't really know that all those eastern birds came to Colorado, and I got to see a lot of those, which were new for me at the time. One of my favorite experiences at that camp was when we were all owling. My leader, who was calling a northern saw-whet owl. The saw-whet owl came expecting another male in his territory, but it actually came and hit my leader in the face. So I want to thank the Central Valley Bird Club for funding this camp that I went to, and the other two. And total, I got about 130 life birds, which was a big boost to my life list. And also I met a lot of other birders and a lot of young birders who I still talk to today. So I think that has really helped my birding in general.